Local 10 Big Bus Toy Express is getting ready to roll through South Florida collecting brand new toys for Tots.
And this is our 8th year hosting this event, and with your support, it gets bigger and better every time. And we've got our chief operating elf. Christy is live in Sunrise right now, decking out the big bus for tomorrow's toy run. And we already have a ton of donations, Christy.
We actually do. The community care plan folks have gone all out. My daughter would say they're extra because they brought us 100 bikes, hundreds of toys. They are still loading up this van, or this truck rather, with all kinds of terrific donations for the boys and girls here in South Florida to make their season extra special and bright. Our bus is ready to go. It is decked out. It is looking terrific as well. And so all we need now is you, the people in South Florida, our wonderful viewers who always come through. So let me show you right now exactly where you can meet up with us tomorrow and bring your donations. We begin the day bright and early in Kendall. Our big bus pulls into Tropical Financial Credit Union at 10510 Southwest 88th Street. We'll be there from 6 to 7 in the morning. From there, the big bus heads to Doral, to the Walgreens store at 9675 Northwest 41st Street. We're there until 8:30. Our big bus then moves on to the Adrian Arch Center at 1300 Biscayne Boulevard. We stick around downtown Miami until 10 a.m. And then it's off to Aventura, to the Walgreens store at 18665 Biscayne Boulevard. We'll be there from 10:30 to 11:30.
High noon, Christy and I team up for our first stop in Broward. It's Vera Cadillac Buick GMC, located at 300 South University Drive in Pembroke Pines. We're there until 1 p.m. Our next location, also in Pembroke Pines, the Walgreens at 15911 Pines Boulevard. Bus stops there from 1:30 to 2:30. Then it's off to Walgreens in Davie at 3015 South University Drive. We'll see you there from 3 to 4. During rush hour, we roll along to IKEA at 151 Northwest 136th Avenue in Sunrise. Come by and say hi. We'll be there from 4:30 to 5:30. Then our bus points to our final stop in Coral Springs, Tropical Financial Credit Union at 8947 West Atlantic Boulevard. We're in place from 6 to 7.
All right, and already we have made quite the dent, but let me give you some numbers here. We are in need of about 43,000 more toys. I mean the Marine Corps and the Toys for Tots program. Why? Because they want to serve 62,000 children here in South Florida. We need bikes, we need athletic equipment, we need dolls, we need whatever your heart can bring, because these kids are really counting on all of us here in South Florida this holiday season. So our big bus is all decked out, ready for the holidays, and we are going to be crisscrossing South Florida starting tomorrow at 6 a.m. I will be down in Kendall. This Broward girl is going to make her way to Miami-Dade. I'll be crisscrossing Miami-Dade all morning long. I'll be meeting up with Louie, as you just heard, at Vera Cadillac. So for all that information, all you have to do is go to local10.com, and right now the news at 6 begins.